washing your hands.
Password.
Social distancing.
No, not at all. Password.
Double masking.
Are you sure?
Triple masking.
Password.
I'm Don Julio.
Don't you mean Bosco?
Where am I going?
Password.
Dudley.
Password. Password.
I got my first shot.
You can come in too. All right. So look around. This is kind of prohibited. But what better way to start our cocktails on Prohibition than to do it in the midst of a prohibited time of a pandemic. We're going to mix the Scoff-Law. The Scoff-Law is 2 ounces of bourbon, 1 ounce of dry vermouth, 1/4 ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of grenadine, 2 dashes of an orange bitter. Shake, and you have the Scoff-Law. You! Join me, guys, and let's greet Prohibition with the bird.
Everybody now.
Oh, we'll give the bird.